TV comedy show? The Two Ronnies, The Fast Show, or Monty Python's Flying Circus?
I kind of vaguely remember The Two Ronnies, and I don't actually remember that phrase. I've never seen The Fast Show. I'm going to go for Monty Python's Flying Circus.
Yeah, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Yes, that's right. Now for something completely different. One of the most famous catchphrases from that. Chris, which singer played the Acid Queen in the 1975 film Tommy? Tina Turner, Annie Lennox, or Lulu?
Many, many years since I've seen Tommy, but it was Tina Turner.
It's the right answer, Chris, so 2 each. Okay, well, you've negotiated some tricky questions well there, Claire. Let's see if you can keep it up. Might win it on this one if you get it right. Claire, in which film does Michael Caine play the part of Charlie Croker?
God, I can't believe what I'm actually filming here.
Get Carter.
This is just unbelievable.
I don't know why I'm going to say Get Carter. Get Carter.
Okay, Get Carter. It's The Italian Job, where he plays Charlie Croker. Chris, means you can win it. In 2007, the dog Chump, and which celebrity won the first series of The Underdog Show? Julia Sawala, Clive Anderson, or Selena Scott?
Thirdly, I'm out of my way to avoid. Madame Julia Sawala is a dog-keeping sort of person. I think Selena Scott's more of a cat person, so I'll go for Clive Anderson.
Clive Anderson? Wrong person. It's the wrong answer. It's Selena Scott. So let off, Claire. Okay, we go to sudden death. You've had 3 multiple choice questions each. So no, that means, Claire, I can't give you any choices. So I'm just going to hear an answer from you. The question for you is this one, Claire. Well known for her naughty step technique, who is the central figure of the TV reality show Super Nanny?
I watch it. Having kids myself, it's good to have a bit of an idea. But I really can't remember her name, but just give me a second.
Of course, yes, plenty of time there, Claire. Just think it over. What are you working through?
Is it? I've got the first name. It's Joanne, Jojo. The kids call her.
Okay.
But I can't think of the second name. No. Joanne Smith.